Ready to unlock a goldmine of website insights and supercharge your data tracking game? First, let's get Google Tag Manager, or GTM, ready. If you don't have an account, go to tagmanager.google.com and create one. Then, you'll need to set up a container for your website. This is like creating a digital box that holds all your tracking code. Make sure to pick the suitable container type for your needs. Now, head over to Google Analytics. If you're not logged in, log in using your Google account. Navigate to the admin section, which is usually identified by a gear icon. In the admin section, select the account you want to add your website to. Then click Create Property. Here, you will enter your website's details such as your website URL, name, and your industry category. Then set your time zone. Once you have created the Google Analytics property, locate your tracking ID. That's the unique identifier for your website. Also, you will see your global site tag, or GTG. These will be helpful for connecting them later. Now copy your Google Analytics tracking ID to use with GTM. Return to Google Tag Manager and click on Tags section. Then click New. This will allow you to set up a new tag. You'll be able to choose a tag type from the options provided with Google Analytics. Universal Analytics as one of the options among the many. Select the tag type that matches your analytics version. For older versions of analytics, this might mean Universal Analytics. In the tag configuration section, enter your Google Analytics tracking ID that you copied earlier. Then click Triggering to specify when this tag should fire. Choose a trigger. A common option is all pages. This way, your analytics will be enabled for every page on your website. Once you've reviewed the tag configuration and triggering, save and publish your changes. To publish your tag, click Submit and you're good to go. Congratulations! You've successfully linked Google Tag Manager with Google Analytics. Now, you can measure valuable website data and improve your campaigns.